Morning, guys. Working on my truck, 2017 Dodge Tradesman 2500. Had an intermittent no start issue. I swapped out the fuel pump, swapped it out twice. I changed the tipm twice. Even got a new tipm. This is a brand new tipm. Brand new. Truck's still having issues with losing power to the fuel pump relay. So here's what I did was, you open this, you take it. Let me tell you how to do it. You unhook that bolt right there. Hold on. You open this guy up. This top connector, when you flip it up, or the back connector, there's a pink and blue wire. You clip it, and you take the wire going down, not the one going up, the one going down, and crimp your wire to it and bring it over and power to your post. We're fighting this. My truck, I tried for 3 days to start this thing. It would not start. I even unhooked the battery and everything. Then I hooked that up. It starts right up. So there you go, guys. Quick, easy fix for your 2017 Dodge Tradesman, or no communication or whatever.